Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Look! I'm a bat. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, so that means you can fly?
Yeah!
Cool. Then jump off of there and start flying.
I don't feel like flying right now.
Huh. Maybe you're not a bat. Maybe you're a chicken.
I'm not.
R2, bark, bark, bark.
You know, Kit, bats do other cool things, like climbing. So climb on down here, and we can make up a story.
Okay. About a ghoul?
Yeah, who was very cool.
And we can call the story The Cool Ghoul.
Once upon a time, there was a really cool ghoul with sunglasses and a rockin' band.
I'm so cool, I'm so cool. I'm a rockin' and a rollin', I'm a real cool ghoul. I got some rockin' glasses, I got a rockin' band. I'm the coolest ghoul rocking across the land. You know, we'd sound even cooler with a couple of cool guitar players.
Hey, that could be us. We're cool.
Way cool. Ring!
Go, kitties, let's go!
Yo, we heard you're looking for some cool guitar players.
So, what do you say? Can we join? Can we?
Of course, if you pass the cool test.
What's that?
You just have to do whatever cool thing I dare you to.
Cool.
Let the daring begin.
I dare you to go up to my neighbor over there and say,
Okay.
Yes?
Boogity, 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 boo. Hey there, pal. How do you do?
How do I do? Just fine, thank you.
That's good. Bye.
There. We did it.
Are we in?
In? The test has just begun. If you're really cool, you'll put your paws in here. I dare you.
Don't worry, Kit. Earthworms don't bite. They're harmless.
Nothing personal, worms. But it's kinda gross.
There.
Are we in now?
Getting closer.
Then just tell us what to do.
We'll do anything you want.
Anything? Then climb over that fence and take an apple from the farmer's tree. I dare you.
Wait. This is just stealing.
You're right, Kit.
What? I thought you were cool.
We are. But we don't want to do this.
Really? Then here's one last test to prove if you're really cool. I double dare you to fill this anthill with water and then stomp on it.
But that anthill, it's their home.
I wouldn't want someone to destroy our home.
What are you afraid of? I thought you were cool cats. But maybe you're just scaredy chickens.
We're not afraid.
We just don't think it's right to hurt those ants.
Yeah, that's not cool at all.
Hey, where you going? I thought you wanted to be in the cool crew.
What do you mean?
What do I mean? I mean, you passed the test. It's cool to do things that are fun or silly, but nobody that's cool would ever steal or hurt anyone. Welcome to the Cool Crew. We're so cool, we're so cool. We're a rockin' and a rollin' with some new cool ghouls. We got some rockin' glasses, we got a rockin' band. We're the coolest ghouls rockin' across the land.
Great story, Dad.
Kittens.
Back here, Mom.
Mom's coming. Act like a monkey bat and do a silly dance for her.
We dare you.
Are you all right?
Eek, eek.
Cool.
we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go.
Kittens, I told you to clean your room an hour ago.
Yeah, but we're still playing.
Ow! I want everything put away now.
He's really mad.
It's your fault.
Mine? It's your mess.
But it was your toy.
Ugh.
Hey!
What's going on?
Nothing.
Hold on, kittens. Where's the Christmas cheer?
It's all gone.
Huh. Well, I've got a Christmas story that might turn that mood around.
I doubt it.
Me too. Anyhow, what's it called?
The Grumpy Elves.
Ugh.
One Christmas Eve, Alfred was showing Santa his latest creation.
Achoo! What a cute doggy.
Oh, that's not all.
Oh, 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 achoo! The children will love that. Gather the toy builders. Oh, achoo!
Hey, you could be two of Santa's elves. Maybe it'll help you turn that grumpy mood around.
I doubt it. Go, kitty kitties, let's go.
Okay, elves, it's toy time. Kid and Kate, you collect the parts. Elvira, you assemble, and I'll paint.
Yeah.
Remember, happy elves make happy toys.
Whatever.
There.
Thanks! One hover dog coming right up. Something doesn't seem quite right here.
Maybe Kid and Kate gave you a few wrong parts by mistake.
Maybe Elvira's just stinky at putting things together.
Stinky? You call this stinky? Just watch.
See? I told ya.
Ow! Look what you made me do!
It's okay, Elvira. Accidents happen.
Hey!
You splattered us with paint.
Newsflash, kittens. I banged my thumb with a hammer.
How am I supposed to paint the toy now without any paint?
Use your beard.
How about I use you? Oh, here comes Santa.
Achoo! Alfred, what's going on here?
Well, you see,
How did this happen?
She ruined my beard.
They gave me the wrong pieces.
Well,
We were in a bad mood.
Oh, we can't have that. If you're not careful, a bad mood can spread like a bad cold. But I know just the trick to turn a stinky mood around. When I'm feeling grumpy or when I'm feeling blue, I have a silly game I play and you can play it too. You do a silly dance and make a silly sound. And pretty soon your stinky mood will start to turn around. When I'm feeling grumpy or when I'm feeling blue, I have a silly game I play and you can play it too. You do a silly dance
Go on, try it.
and make a silly sound. And pretty soon your stinky mood will start to turn around.
And the elves' stinky mood really did turn around. They worked happily together, making toys for all the good boys and girls until Santa's sleigh was packed up and ready to fly.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Achoo!
And pretty soon your stinky mood will start to turn around.
Thanks for turning our stinky mood around, Mom.
Hey, Kit, what happens if I press this button on you?
I change into a room cleaning robot.
Me too.
Me, 3.
Now that's how you spread the Christmas spirit.